on the mobile app, the views are basically the same. There are some minor differences, so I'll go over the mobile. I'm on a tablet right now, so it might look slightly, distorted from what it might look like on an iPhone. But basically, in the mobile app, you have four tabs on the bottom of the screen. You have your projects tab that we're looking at now, a to-do list, which is basically a list of any in-progress work that I have, which would be photos that I have yet to upload to the server or checklists that I am working on currently. And your notifications tab is just a feed, chronological feed, most current on the top, most recent on the top for any activity that's occurring on the projects. We saw this in the project overview on the website. Again, and you can click into any of these activity cards to see what's going on and load the information and the data and interact with it. You can check out what checklists are being uploaded or forms that are getting completed on your projects and review those. And then the last tab in the project is My Account. So in the My Account tab is obviously your basic information. This is where you can manage your email and change your password. You can also send feedback. That's an important feature there for anybody that's having any issues or experiencing any bugs. So in the My Projects page here, there are two different ways to sort your projects. One is A to Z alphabetical. You can see in the top left corner that toggle selected right now. And then if I switch and toggle to that geo map icon there, that will sort my projects by location. So what that does is if I have enabled my location tracking in the mobile app, then it knows my location and it will find projects that are the closest in proximity to me and put them on the top of the list. So for those guys that are working out in the field and they're working on several different projects, this is a great setting to keep on. So you just know whenever you go in the app, you're always at that top project and you can tap into that to complete any checklist or forms or upload any photos or interact with the project in any way that you need to. If you're on a ton of projects like I am, this search field is awesome. You just type in a project ID, or you can type in any word in the name of the project, and it'll instantaneously search and filter to those projects. If I need to if I get pending projects, like you can see right here, I just refresh my screen. I have two pending projects. If I tap on that bar there, that'll open my pending projects list. And then I can go in here and accept or deny any of these projects. If I need to join a new project, then I can tap on this new project here on the right side, right below that pending projects bar. It says new project. I tap on that. Similar to the website, this will pull up a list of all the company projects that I'm not on. I can request access on the right side. You see that blue request button. I can search. Obviously, I should always search first because I assume that the project is already existent in the database. And let's see. So say I want to join this 3929 SWPP project. I just request access. When I do that, it says requesting access will notify all the existing members and they will have to accept me. And I say yes. So that was simple. If I want to create a new project on the fly, say I'm on the field, I'm doing a site visit for a project we're trying to get, I can go into that join new project button and then I hit create new project. And this pulls up the project creation page that we see on the website. Again, you have project name, project description, job number, estimated budget, project owner. These are drop-down menus, and division of the company, and all the other associated information that we discussed, including the dates and the address and project team members. Again, whenever you're creating these projects, you should always fill out all of the known information that you have at the time. It all is extremely valuable to us. As you know, we have, over 10,000 projects within the FH Passion Company right now. So adding more of this contextual data and reference information makes it much more valuable and useful to everyone within the organization.